Maulan na umaga. Here's Universe's Most Jealous Goddess, Chapter 143. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong uploads. Paalala, this is only a fun translation. Grammatical and typographical errors are expected. Please bear with it po kapag meron pong mga wrong grammars. Tsaka nga, typographical error. For those who are always watching, commenting, subscribing, reacting, maraming salamat po sa suporta ninyong lahat. I highly appreciate you all. Can I go with you? If you go again, you will have to repeat another year. Please think carefully. Okay, that's it for now. I'll just stay here and study. I don't know how many beautiful women you're going to meet on your business trip. American, British, exotic. I'm really miserable. I'm jealous. So what? Didn't you say before that I was a jealous person? Yes. Then we are the most jealous goddess in the universe. That way, you'll be jealous of me and I'll be jealous of you. And the two jealous goddesses will never be separated. How about making you happier? You will play the rabbit and I will play the white-faced scholar. You use me dry so I can't go out and fool around, okay? That bunny, here it comes. The next day, Hyunyu is so slow. Is she stuck in the traffic? It's so nice of you to be together every day. Unlike me, I have to be alone for a week. Life is hard. Master's only been gone for a day and you're already lovesick? Yeah. What direction is America? I have to look in the direction of America so she can feel my thoughts. Look in that direction. Sabi niya. Baby, you've been waiting for me for a long time. Well, it's been half an hour, so think about how you're going to make it up for me. This time, it's two babies. Yeonyu is teasing Yeonbao. She's making her envious, jealous. Sister Yeonyu, you think it's right to abandon your sister for your wife? And why are you two suddenly so good together when you were fighting before? You're acting in front of me, aren't you? Yeonyu is posing to make a big announcement. So ito yung stop. If you're telling me you're engaged to Zizi or something, I don't want to hear it. And I can stand it. Mukhang halos yata ng karakter sa Universe's Most Jealous Goddess ay engaged na. Magpapahuli ba sina Hyunhan at Yeonbao? Abangan sa susunod na chapter.